Jordan from jordanseasyentertaining.com here, and welcome to the 12 Days of Christmas. I've teamed up with some of my favorite blogger friends to bring you 12 days of Christmas ideas to help you get ready for the holidays. Today, Bree from Parties with a Cause, Jennifer from Bella Gray Designs, and I are all sharing healthy Christmas recipes. So I'm going to show you how to make this delicious Waldorf salad with grapes and Greek yogurt. This recipe because it's great for serving up as a side dish at your holiday dinner, but at your holiday party you can also put it in little cups like this to serve as an appetizer. Make sure to head over to jordanseasyentertaining.com to get the measurements for this recipe and to get links to the other bloggers' recipes for today. And while you're over there, make sure to enter my Christmas giveaway. I'm giving away a rose gold cake stand just like this to one winner in the US who is 18 or over. If you like this video, please leave a like, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!